Up next is the App of the Week segment. This is a segment dedicated to app demonstrations. Should you have an app that you would like to demonstrate for our listeners, feel free to send us the recording of such an app demo to contact us at blindandroidusers.com. And now for this week's episode, here's your App of the Week. Now, let's go ahead and close today's episode with the App of the Week. And of course, we're talking about that Innosearch app from the Innosearch AI team group. And here's that demonstration of Innosearch. Hi, Warren here for Blind Android Users Podcast. And as we continue with our App of the Week series for episode 256 App of the Week, this is demonstrating Innosearch, Innosearch. And we've had these guys before, Patrick Long from the Innosearch group. And today I'm demonstrating this as we now have an app for Android. For today's demonstration, though, I'll be utilizing my Galaxy S23 Plus, running One UI 8 and TalkBack 16. In case you're not familiar with Innosearch, this is an app intended to make shopping easier for those of us who are blind. In other words, instead of directly navigating to a shopping site, for example, Amazon, Target, or some other shopping sites that you may have difficulty with, Innosearch is here to bridge that gap, making things easier for you. Thus, we have the Innosearch app. I am on the Play Store page of Innosearch and will now navigate to the About and hear the description of the app, and thereafter come back and tap on that install, and let's get started. Here is the description of the app.
About this app. Heading: Google Play Store. Innosearch AI. Detail: your accessible AI shopping assistant. Discover a revolutionary way to shop online with Innosearch AI. Designed with accessibility at its core, our AI-powered platform makes digital services effortless for everyone, especially blind and low-vision users. Key features: all-in-one shopping, access millions of products from major retailers all in one place. No more juggling multiple apps. Effortless and accessible, enjoy an ad-free, screen reader-friendly experience tailored for ease of use. Smart recommendations, get personalized product suggestions and find the best deals instantly. Natural language search, simply tell us what you're looking for. Our advanced AI understands your needs just like a real shopping assistant. Shop by phone, even without internet. You can shop using simple voice commands. Comprehensive info, get detailed product information, reviews, prices, and shipping details at your fingertips. Innosearch AI is committed to making the digital world accessible and convenient for all. Simplify your online shopping, flight bookings, and more with your trusted AI companion. Download Innosearch AI today and experience the future of accessible online shopping. App info. Version 1.0.0. Updated on October 26, 2025. Downloads: 50 plus downloads. Download size: 25.71 megabytes. Required OS: Android 7.0 and up. Offered by Innosearch AI Inc. Released on September 11, 2025.
And there's both the description and the history of the app. I'll now navigate my way back to that installation page and tap on that install, and let's get started.
Play Store. About this app. Install button. Verified by Play Protect. Pending. Navigate up button. Innosearch AI. 1%, 39%, 100%. Installing. Shortcut to Innosearch AI added on home screen.
We're done with the installation, and I'll now put my finger down and tap on Open.
Button. Open. Innosearch AI. Shop. Shop.
I am now in the menu eye of the app, and as always, though, I like to start navigating, or rather exploring the app by starting from the top left and proceed from there. I'll now put my finger near the top left corner of the phone, and then we'll go through and look at the UI of the app. Here we go.
Go back. Button. Navigate to the previous page in the web disabled.
On the top left corner of the phone, we have that back, which is navigate to the previous page. And to the right of that is a text string that simply says
heading.
Shop, and then moving to the right corner of the phone.
Open cart. Button. Open the shopping cart.
There is the Open Shopping Cart. In other words, open your shopping cart. From here, though, I want to mention something, especially those of you that like to swipe. If you swipe, you're going to be taken to a button that is just a little bit above the tab area that is at the bottom. We've got some tabs, but swiping will skip over stuff here. So this is something we may need to bring to attention of the developer because there's tons of stuff here like the search and all of that before you get to that button and then to the tabs at the bottom. But so you want to, first of all, though, you want to make sure that you just explore. But if you swipe, it's going to take you to a button that says
Open Co-Browse AI. Open Co-Browse AI. Control plus Shift plus slash or Control plus Shift plus comma to toggle voice.
There you go. So you swipe and it's going to take you to that Open Co-Browser icon. And like I said, that is way toward the bottom, just above the tabs. However, if you put your finger down, which I prefer doing, I'm not a swiper, is what we got is this.
Accessible shopping, billions of products, thousands of stores. Heading 1.
And move my
Name,
finger
search
down.
for products. Button.
And move my finger down.
Edit box, search what to buy, e.g. headphones, kitchen tools.
There we go. You got,
Start dictation mode. Button.
that's to the right of that.
Clear search. Button, disabled.
And there's a clear search there on the right edge of the phone. And that's directly across from the edit field. And below that clear on the left-hand side, just below that edit field,
Search. Button.
and in the middle of the phone, there's a button that simply says,
Search for products. Button.
now moving down from here we got,
Now available. Shop by phone. No internet required. Heading 2.
and moving on down,
Call +1 855 shop GPT to shop by phone in United States. Link.
okay, I think if you tap on that, it'll take you to some place. I'm not going to tap on that right now, just kind of interested in seeing what the UI looks like.
More info and international numbers on our. Visit info page for more international numbers. Link.
And moving on down,
Period.
and then to the right of where it says period is that button that we encountered earlier on when you swiped. Now, if you swipe here, it will just skip to the bottom and landing you on the first tab at the bottom. However, to the right of here, just slightly below, is
Open Co-Browse AI. Button. Open Co-Browse AI. Control plus Shift plus slash or Control plus Shift plus comma to toggle voice.
and now let's go to the bottom of the screen and look at the tabs. At the bottom left, we've got,
Shop. Tab.
you've got the shop tab, and to the right of the shop tab,
Fly. Tab.
fly. In other words, if you want to book flights and stuff of that nature. And then to the right of that,
Eat. Tab.
that's my favorite when it comes to food. And Sally, I'm looking at you. So my boy, both you and I get better looking every day, and we love that food. And then next to that is
Store. Tab.
store, and if you tap on that, it's going to show you some stores. We'll take a look at some of these. And then the last tab at the bottom right corner
Profile. Tab.
is your profile. Let's go ahead though and tap on the store, which is the one to the left of here.
Store. Tab.
Look at what we got.
Store. Selected.
Tapping on store, I'm going to start from the top. Look at the type of stores we got.
Stores. Heading.
We got the stores heading, and moving on down.
Stores. Innosearch AI. Your ultimate shopping assistant. Find best deals and top products. Web view.
And remember, don't swipe, because if you swipe, you're going to skip over stuff and landing you on that Open Co-Browser AI, for example.
Open Co-Browse AI. Open Co-Browse AI. Control plus Shift plus slash or Control plus Shift plus comma to toggle voice.
And I can see that it just skipped over stuff. So, but I'm going to put my finger down instead.
Main. Featured stores. Heading 1.
We got featured stores, and we got
Brava. Discover Brava's revolutionary smart oven, now accessible for blind and low vision users. With seamless app integration supporting voiceover and talkback, developed in partnership with the San Francisco Lighthouse for the Blind and Visually Impaired, over 8,500 automated recipes and guided instructions eliminate cooking guesswork. Brava
Okay.
empowers independent. Donna J. Joden LLB, a CSP MBA Consulting Services world-renowned blind advocate, accessibility champion, and changemaker. Global.
Next.
Double tap, specially curated accessibility collection. Link. Double.
Moving on.
Geek, welcome to Geek, where AI for the blind meets independence. Glam, welcome to Mindy's Essentials, a place where your wellness journey is celebrated every.
Well, you kind of got the drift here. Again, don't swipe. So maybe this is something that Patrick would look into, because I know lots of you guys like to swipe. And if you're going to be swiping, sometimes you're going to be skipping over things. And that's why I'm not a fan of swiping. Well, now let's go ahead and tap on that shop tab at the bottom left corner and try searching for something.
Shop. Tab. Shop. Selected.
We're now in the shop, and I'm going to put my finger down on that edit field and search for something.
Edit box. Search what to buy, e.g. headphones, kitchen tools.
And I'm going to tap here.
Edit box. Search what to buy, e.g. headphones, kitchen tools. Found 0 suggestions for Innosearch AI. Showing English, US QWERTY.
I'm going to search for Anchor Power Bank.
Use voice typing.
Anchor Power Bank.
Voice input stopped.
And at the bottom of the keyboard, I'll just tap on search.
Search. Searching for Anchor Power Bank. Go back. Button. Navigate to the previous page in the web view. Keyboard hidden. Results for Anchor Power Bank. Go back. Button. Navigate to the previous page in the web view. Found 49 results for Anchor Power Bank.
It says it's found like 40 something.
Anchor 20,000 milliamp hours power bank. Link. Free delivery. Retailer. Target.
That's from Target.
Rating 4.5 out of 5 stars over 786 reviews. Price $49.99. Reduced by over 12% compared to the original price of $56.78. Free 30-day return.
And we have the 30-day free return, and below that there's a button across the screen that says
Chat with Innosearch for Anchor 20,000 milliamp hours power bank. Button.
And below that we have another line of buttons, and to the left we got
Add to cart Anchor 20,000 milliamp hours power bank. Button.
There's the add to cart, and to the right of that
Buy now Anchor 20,000 milliamp hours power bank. Button.
there's a buy now button. And below that button on the right edge of the phone,
Bookmark Anchor Power Bank with digital screen 20,000 mAh 30W3 port. Button.
So in other words, if you're not ready to buy it at the moment, you can just bookmark it and return to it at some later time and pick up from where you left. And that would conclude this short demonstration of the Innosearch app. Thanks for listening. Again, if you like what we're doing, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.